started DENSO 21 years ago. It was very small. It was very family oriented. Everybody knew everybody, so about 500 people, which I think now we're over 1,600.
I think what's unique about DENSO is that it is a global company with a small town feel.
It's a family atmosphere. So I know I leave my family each morning, come here. I come into my other family.
DENSO is the manufacturer of component parts for the automotive industry. If it's in your car, it's pretty much made by DENSO.
I take pride in the fact that quality is the main concern here, that we're not trying to make the cheapest parts, we're trying to make the best parts.
What makes DENSO a very great environment for me is teamwork. It being motivated to make things work better and their products better every day.
I take a lot of pride in DENSO because it's a very stable environment. It helps me to reach the goals that I want in life.
Our opportunities are really limitless. What you bring to the table, you have the opportunity to advance from an entry-level position up into a higher level position.
I'm a prime example of the opportunities available at DENSO as I moved from operations into engineering while I was here. There's enough of a broad base here that DENSO will recognize the skill set, help you develop it, and then move you in that direction.
The leadership team of DENSO is just like you and me.
They're not just leadership, they're teamwork oriented as well. They get in there, they're willing to get their hands dirty just as much as any other employee.
DENSO's pay is very competitive.
We offer an on-site clinic. Not only that, we have an exercise facility.
They offer a lot of community involvement, just give you an opportunity to show who you are and express what you can do for the team.
DENSO promotes a culture of associate focused. We continue to strive for a one DENSO environment.
An ideal employee for us would be someone who comes in, who doesn't set limits, who explores all the opportunities that DENSO has to offer, and they work with integrity, foresight, and credibility. It's who we are, and we would love to have you join Team DENSO.